So today's wash day routine begins in my kitchen because we are going to be making flaxseed gel finally. I've had this channel for God knows how long and I've been meaning to do this video literally since I started making YouTube videos. I'm only just getting around to doing it. And I am about to make your life a hell of a lot easier because before you make your gel, if you can, you should try and get like one of these little bags to cook your flaxseed gel in because it just makes the process so much easier, I find. So I am taking a 1/4 cup of flaxseed and putting it in this little bag. So using this bag is gonna help later. I mean, a lot of the recipes that I've seen, they use tights to strain the gel once it's done. But when I tried that, it wasn't really straining. Then the tights ripped, so all the seeds fell into my gel. And it was a nightmare. And I decided to try this, and I find this hack so much easier. Flax seeds are quite cheap, I think. I can't remember how much the bag cost me, but not very expensive. And these little bags, I'm sure you can get for very cheap too. The ratio in a lot of the recipes that I see are a 1/4 cup flaxseed to 2 cups of water. Now, if you want a bigger batch of gel, you can always double the recipe. I have seen that some people add conservatives to their gel. I think, you know, there are some ingredients that are just natural conservatives that they add, but I've never done that. And some people also add like a drop or two of essential oil to give it a nice smell. But again, I don't bother doing that. I've turned it up to full. Once it starts boiling, then I'm gonna turn it down. I'm gonna keep stirring while it's slowly boiling. My flax seeds, I think because they're store-bought ones, you can see that they're very light in color, but a lot of other people that I've seen have used dark flax seeds. I don't know if one is better than the other, but I've used these in the past and they have worked just fine. So slowly the water is going to start thickening and it's going to turn into like a egg white kind of consistency, and once you turn it off and take it off the heat, it continues to thicken up as it cools. When I make this, I usually just make this amount, and I can't remember now how many washes this batch lasts me for, but I would say it lasts quite a few. I store this gel in the fridge usually. I did see a hack a while ago of storing it in ice cube containers in the freezer, and then whenever they would have a shower, they would just take out however much they needed and leave it to kind of defrost in a bowl while they're in a shower. I am so excited to try this gel again. My hair, I feel like it absolutely loves flaxseed gel, and any gel that I buy that contains flaxseed, my hair just loves it. And this gel is great for when I refresh my hair as well, from what I can remember. Okay, I'm gonna take the plunge. We're gonna turn it off now. I also just remembered something else. I used to freeze this bag of flax seeds and then I would reuse these same flax seeds to create another batch. So it's turning very, very mucousy. So anyway, while this is cooling and thickening, something that we can go and do now is begin my wash day. So first of all, I'm taking a purple hair mask and just working that through my hair. My hair was super tangled, and then we're gonna drizzle a little bit of water, and that kind of makes it a little easier to detangle. So once I detangled, I rinsed that out. I'm now going in with shampoo, and I'm using the keratin shampoo, and I don't know what has happened to this shampoo, but it is water. It is so difficult to use. It wasn't always like that, I don't think. I tried pouring it on my hands, but it runs right through my fingers, so I'm wasting so much shampoo. The first time I shampooed my hair, it didn't really lather very much, so I rinsed it out and decided to go in and shampoo again. Then I'm taking some conditioner, working it in, and then detangling it and rinsing that out. And then to style today, I decided to go for products that I really like the smell of, because obviously the flaxseed gel, I mean, it doesn't smell horrible, but it smells of flax seeds. So I wanted to add some nice scents into my hair. So I'm taking the Coco and Eve hair elixir, I think it's called. This smells very summery, very coconutty, which I then for some reason decided to pair with the Trelux leave-in conditioner, which smells very autumny and very cinnamon-like. And now I am using a brush to just style my hair in sections. The bottom half of my hair I kind of brush outwards and up a little bit, and then the top section of my hair I always brush that up and back. No matter how much I do that, your girl can just not get rid of her parting. She has a very stubborn parting. And then with the gel, I cannot remember how much is a good amount. So I'm just kind of trying to apply more or less what I would with a normal hair gel. And I'm rubbing that in between my hands. This is very slimy. Then I'm glazing it over my hair and scrunching it in. Some gel did fall on the floor. I did almost trip and have an accident. So be very careful of that. And then I flipped my hair in the other direction, glazed it, scrunched it in, and then again upside down. At this point my clumps I think are looking very nice. And then I'm using my towel to microplop. This is great, especially with this gel, because there are some chunks of the gel that have thickened quite a lot, and perhaps they didn't really sink into my hair. My hair didn't really absorb them, so they're just kind of sitting on top of my hair in some places. So this is where the towel comes in great to remove that bit of excess gel. And then I'm putting my hair up in a towel. So my hair has been in this towel for about 30 minutes. So we're gonna take it down and just kind of see. Ooh, it looks nice. How it's feeling. Okay, at the moment it feels good, but it does not feel sticky or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and add more gel because it looks so good. It would be a shame if I dried my hair and this wash day didn't turn out. My dog is so excited about the gel. Oh my god. Wait, if any of this spills on the floor, is it safe for my dog to eat it? Because she is literally, I don't know, something about the smell is driving her insane right now. She won't stop sniffing. Honestly, these waves are looking incredible right now. I'm really excited. I hope that it has good hold. I can't remember if this gel has good hold or not. Okay, we're adding some more. My cat is upstairs demanding food right now. Benita, this is not for you. This is not for you. I'm gonna wipe my hands. So we're gonna give it a little scrunch with my towel. Honestly, this definition right now is top tier. So I shall go and diffuse this now, and oh, I'm excited. I hope we have a good hair day today. Let me show you my dog. So there is the gel. And there is she. Benita, that's not for you. Now it could be because I usually use a container similar like this to scoop out her dog food and put it into a bowl. So it could be that that's confusing her. I don't know. I'm just gonna let her smell it. You've been digging. Can you see her nose? Where have you been digging? Have you been making holes in the garden again? So I just got done diffusing my hair, and I am pleased to say that flaxseed gel does give me a cast. It's a little bit deceiving when it's wet because it feels as though I have nothing in my hair, but then as soon as I started drying, I could feel the cast starting to form. I actually feel like my hair also dried quicker compared to when I use regular store-bought gels. Ooh, I don't know if you can see flakes on my hand where I got gel and it dried. Hopefully I don't have that in my hair. I can't see anything, so I don't think so. I'm just taking the Aussie Work That Kill serum. I just have it sitting around in here from another video I filmed, so I may as well use it because it's here. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be easy enough to scrunch out. My hair feels like so light. It feels like I have nothing in my hair. Oh my god. Ah. I've missed flaxseed gel. My hair friggin' loves it. I do see some white dust particles as I'm shaking out my hair. Oh my god, look at that. Definition looks gorgeous. Clumps look gorgeous. Zero frizz. It looks so shiny. This is gorgeous. I love it. I love it. I love how my hair has turned out today. It is so soft. It feels very lightweight, like I have nothing in my hair. And I applied quite a generous amount of gel. I feel like, of course, the test is whether the hold lasts. If I were to give one complaint about this homemade gel, is that my roots are, you know, very soft, very flat. I would like some more volume up in here. That's my only complaint right now. So I just wanted to quickly jump on and show my day 2 hair. Again, we're in the same clothes as yesterday because I didn't leave the house yesterday. So girl math. Technically, I haven't worn these clothes. As you can see, I still don't really have any frizz going on. My waves are still kind of in their clumps. And honestly, definition isn't bad considering that this is a gel that I made very cheaply and it's homemade. 10 out of 10. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you've tried any other variations of this recipe. How do you use it? Or perhaps you haven't even tried it yet. Anyway, have a fabulous day. Bye!